What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going through the state of Wisconsin. But first, last episode I had a deep dish pizza from Abby's in Chicago, Illinois, and it was just how I remembered it. Something inside me from growing up is just attached to deep dish pizza. I don't want to be biased, not trying to be biased, but it was one of, if not the best thing I've had on this trip so far. And I'm digging in my bag right now because I want to get this out and show you guys this and tell you guys that Illinois, Chicago deep dish pizza, and this trophy, it will not be coming back to Illinois. So I put deep dish pizza at number 2 on our list behind New Haven pizza, and it was such a tough decision. But like I said before, I had to eat the whole New Haven pizza to really feel full because it's so thin and crisp. But I'm not gonna hold that against it. I'll eat a whole pizza and I'll be happy, or I'll have a slice of deep dish and be just as full and still be happy. But something about that New Haven, when you bite into it, you get that crisp, you get that char, and the cheese is just perfect. I wish it was more, but you can just keep eating more. That's the thing. But number 2 on the list, very respectable spot. Not, if I was biased, I would have put it 1, but number 2. Now we have to go to Wisconsin. We got a pretty big day ahead of us. I don't know where we're gonna go to charge. We gotta charge soon, but I do know where we're gonna go first, and let's go there really quick. All right, I want to like this. I want to like this so bad because I have the donut to eat it with. Come on, Duncan. It's great. It's great. The first one I had was great too. The second one was not so great. Like a big difference. This one is back to what good. Is Duncan known for being inconsistent? Because that's a massive discrepancy. But this is good. I'm happy. Anyways, on to Wisconsin. We'll get to South Barrington, Illinois to charge in about 51 minutes with 10%. We have 28% now, so we gotta go charge. So with that, let's hit the road. Got here to South Barrington with 13%. I wasn't sure if I wanted to admit this on camera, but I did also get a carrot cake from Weber's. I ordered 1, she gave me 2. Maybe she thought I was cute. I didn't say anything. But I absolutely housed them both on the drive while I was sitting in traffic. I didn't need to do that. I mean, that's my breakfast, the donut and carrot cake. It's that kind of day. Bad decisions are being made this episode. But let's go plug in and get the boys out. All right, let's go. Wait, all right, you know what? Let's go for it. No, not yet, okay. Bro, what the heck? We're in the parking lot of a couple stores, including one called Pure Green. Sounds like a place I need to go to. I wish there was a state known for like a salad, but there isn't. So it's just, this trip, we're not eating the best, but it's all right. These boys are pooped out from spending the day with the family in Chicago, so we're walking pretty slow today, and that's all right. We got fresh sheets, but I forgot the pillowcases in Chicago, I believe. That's all right. Brody can still enjoy them. Look at that boy cooling off in there. All right, we have 52%. Next stop, about an hour and 10 minutes in Janesville. Get there at 22%. I'm gonna wash down the carrot cake and donuts with some caffeine. Great combination. Let's hit the road. We made it here with 22% in the parking lot of a grocery store, which is perfect. We can get a case of water and some puree for this boy because he's getting a little picky with the puree flavors. Big sweet potato guy, not a big apple guy, but we'll get some sweet potato for the Brody boy. But Rita, you ate everything. You ate everything. You got puree on your lips from this morning still. Let's go plug in. Good morning, boys. Good morning, Brody boy. We got some grass to walk around and pee in. Good boy, Brody boy. The name of the grocery store is called Woodman's. I like, as we travel across the country, all the local grocery store names are all different. It's pretty cool. And don't worry, I did not forget. We'll do this here, put Wisconsin on the board. Did you know Wisconsin, there is more people that drink alcohol in Wisconsin than any other state, like by far. I've made some bad decisions already with the carrot cake, but that was, I was sober for that one. But anyways, Wisconsin on our board. We got a lot of big states to go, a lot of long drives. I'm also very excited for where we're gonna eat, and we've been here for a while. We gotta get there. We gotta get moving. Let's go ahead, unplug, and get back on the road. I said efficient charging stop, and then we were here for a very long time. We have 90%, which is way overcharged. We have plenty enough to get where we're going to eat, and we're about an hour and a half away. We'll get there with 57%, so let's hit the road again. All right, we're in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin, here in front of Culver's, a Wisconsin staple, trying a Wisconsin staple food, and that is, of course, cheese curds. Culver's was founded right here in Wisconsin back in 1984. Honestly, it's one of my favorite fast food restaurants, but unfortunately, we don't have one of these in Vegas. Wisconsin, in addition to drinking more alcohol than anybody in the country, also produces more cheese than anybody in the country. Now, I have had cheese curds before. I've actually had them here before. It's been at least a few years. I miss Culver's. It's been a long time. I'm excited for these. We've had a lot of cheese the last few days between all the pizza and everything else. So like this cheese curds to top it all off, sounds great. Let's go. All right, cheese curds secured, popping in here. These look fantastic, crispy, gold, fresh, high expectations. I know what to expect, they're gonna be good, but I miss Culver's. I also got a burger, a butter burger. I'm hungry. This is gonna be a great meal. It's fried cheese. I like cheese, I like fried things. Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin cheese curds, Culver's. Cheers. Simple, you know what? Some restaurants do like fancy cheese curds, really crispy, put a lot of seasoning on them. I like simple fried, greasy, chewy, melty cheese. The burger is not part of the review, but if you know Culver's, butter burger is right up there with the best fast food burgers maybe of all time. Cheers. They are dangerous though. It's a snack where you could just go like, okay, one more, and then the basket's empty. The cheese inside is yellow. I don't know why I was expecting white. Still fantastic. Wait, I was gonna record, this one is white. Maybe that one was extra greasy. Maybe that was a weird one. Let's see, third one. Yellow cheese. And they taste the same. I never noticed that, that's weird. Maybe they're sneaking some American cheese curds over the mozzarella cheese curds. I mean, they're like mini mozzarella sticks. Even the American cheese ones, yellow ones, they taste the same. White and yellow. It's so weird. I didn't know that. Maybe that's their thing. I didn't know that. But I am gonna finish up, enjoy this, and we'll digest and think in the car. So this is the most unexpected cutscene. Wisconsin Dells is one of my favorite places in the world. I was here a year or two ago for my bachelor party. I planned to get a tattoo. I didn't, things didn't line up, we were kind of busy.
I came back for unfinished business, and I thought on this trip would be a good time to get it. So here we are, and then we'll talk about cheese curds. But first, we'll get this done. I'm pretty nervous. Well, that's a decent pain.
If I gave you 1,000,000 guesses to guess which scene was coming next, no one would have guessed that. Not even me. I'm just my first and only tattoo. Like I said, I wanted it back then, thought it was funny. You know the circle game, you go like this and get you. I've been doing that sometimes throughout the series. What's up, Brady? What's up, Brody? All right, boys. All right, boys. I don't know why. I grew up on that. So stupid. I loved it. And I think it's funny. I think it's funny. Small on my thigh. I'll show you guys later. But, oh, yeah, it was crazy. And I didn't tell anybody about this. Any friends, family, anybody watching this video who knows me at all has no idea that I got this tattoo until right now. So there you go. Anyways, okay, we got to talk about the cheese curds. I don't know, there's not much to say. They're fried bundles of cheese, little mini mozzarella sticks, easily snackable, super simple. You know I like simple. Hit the spot with the Butterburger on top. Not part of the rating, but with the Butterburger and the cheese curds, I'm sitting good right now. But I'm gonna sit here, let the tattoo heal, let the food digest, let me think about it. Got the rankings up, let you guys know tomorrow. Thanks for watching Wisconsin. See you guys tomorrow.